Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Exxaro sets its sight on coal to revive its earnings. AngloGold is harvesting its short-life mines, and legislative changes to be supportive of offshore oil and gas drilling, says President Zuma. Diversified miner Exxaro is placing its bets on coal as the South African mining industry battles the stormy waters that have pushed it into trouble.
In our view, from now onwards, in the next 3 to 5 years, carbon business is king. So our focus is going to be generally on the coal business. Why the coal business? Because we see a lot of value, we are in control of that business, and we can see where things are. So our focus in terms of capital allocation, in terms of growth, in terms of all sorts of things would be on the coal business. So you won't find a lot of capital spend in other areas, but we're going to focus on the coal business.
AngloGold Ashanti is harvesting short-life gold mines for cash and will do so with more mines if the gold price falls below $1,000 an ounce.
If we end up below $1,000 a gold price, we may start harvesting some of the short-life mines for cash for a period until the prices recover.
Could you just elaborate on the comment you just made about harvesting short-term mines for cash?
Mine it out in respect of those particular assets, but we'll keep the long-term optionality intact and relook at developing that mine later on using a different configuration.
President Jacob Zuma says the finalization of the Mineral and Petroleum Resources Development Act Amendment Bill will assist the country to accelerate offshore oil and gas exploration.
The aspiration of the Offshore Oil and Gas Exploration Focus Group of the Oceans Pakisa is the drilling of 30 exploration wells in 10 years. In their view, this would produce 370,000 barrels of oil and gas per day. If this is achieved, it would mean the creation of up to 130,000 jobs with an annual contribution to the GDP of $2.2 billion while reducing the dependence on oil and gas imports during the production phase.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged onto miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.